Welcome to RAISINS.live, your all-in-one platform for experimental data analysis. To get started, go to Statistical Genetics and choose Diallel Analysis Hayman's approach. Tap Get Started to reach the login page, then enter your email and password to sign in. Once you're in, go to the Analysis tab, click Browse to upload your data file. After uploading the file, you need to select the parent, 1 column next, select the parent, 2 column next, comes replication column, and then select the variables. If any of the observation needed transformation, click for transformation. Click Run Analysis to generate your results. You can download the output in Word, PDF, or HTML formats. In Treat Y Stat tab, mean matrix and other important components are available. By RVR table, and graph is given in the .RVR tab. For presentation-ready visuals, head to the Basic Plots tab to create box plots, violin plots, mean value plots, connected line plots, and bar graphs. All plots are fully customizable. You can customize them according to your needs. In the AI Interpretation tab, Raisins Assistant provides clear and insightful summaries of your data. If you have any doubts, click FAQs. Get started with Raisins.live and make your data speak.